morning, students. I hope you all are doing fine and you're taking care of yourself. Today, we are going to learn something very interesting. We are going to learn the sound OO. Alright? OO, as in double O. Let's watch some words together which involves these two letters. Alright? Can you give me any example? Okay, let's see together. K, U, L. What does this mean? Cool. As you can see that there are double O's in the word, which gives us the sound of OO. K, U, L. Cool. Any other example? What is this? Can you guys tell me? It's a boot. Boot, as in B-U-T. Boot. Alright? Again, as we can see that there is OO sound in the word. Now, can you people give me any example from your daily routine or anything you see around? Root. Let's spell it together. R-U-T. Root. Can you guys tell me what is the meaning of root? Or what is root? I'm sure you all know about it. Root is that hidden part of a plant which is under the ground. Alright, now I'm sure you all know what root is. You have already seen it, isn't it? Good. What is this? It comes out at night. I'm sure you all love watching it. What is it? Moon. Let's spell it together. M-O-O-N. Moon. Again, it has the sound OO in it. Double O as in OO. I'm sure this was very interesting and fun for you to learn. It was very easy and simple. Let's repeat it again. K, U, L, as in cool. B, U, T, as in boot. R, U, T, as in root. M-U-N, as in moon. I'm sure it was very fun and easy for you all to learn. You can watch this video again and again to clear the concept. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, The Country School Pakistan, and do hit the bell icon. Take very good care of yourselves, stay safe and stay in your homes. Allah Hafiz.